Can the ICICI Prove Lakshya lifelong income plan secure your financial future no matter what life throws at you? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked participating life insurance plan. Now let us see the features of this policy. So you can enjoy life cover throughout your policy term till the age of 99 years to secure your family's financial future. You also get guaranteed capital protection in the form of a sum assured on maturity and guaranteed income and cash bonus every year after income start date till the age of 99 years is also available, and there are liquidity benefits during your policy term to help you in case of any financial emergencies. You can even enjoy bonuses in the form of regular additions every year to grow your wealth till the income start date. So get tax benefits on your premiums paid and benefits received as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the features of this policy. Now let's take a look at the benefits available under this plan. So a death benefit is higher of either of these two options mentioned on the screen, which can either be sum assured on death plus bonuses or 105% of total premium paid as of the date of death. So whichever is highest at the time of death of the policyholder, that will be given as the death benefit to the nominee or the legal heir in case the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So maturity benefit is given to the policyholder once the policy matures. So here the maturity benefit is your sum assured on maturity plus any terminal bonus declared. So sum assured on maturity refers to your annualized premium into your premium payment term. So survival benefit is also available, which on survival of the life assured till the income start date, which is your 5th policy year after the premium payment term, your accrued regular additions net of encashment if you had any till that date shall be payable as a lump sum amount. So after the income start date, what will happen on every policy anniversary is till the end of your policy term or death, whichever comes earlier, the following is payable, which is your guaranteed income GI plus cash bonus if it was declared. So these are all the benefits you can get from investing in this policy. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantages are you can access loan up to 80% of the policy's surrender value, and you have the option to receive your death benefit in installment over a preferred time frame, and you also get guaranteed regular income for life. Now the disadvantages would be your sum assured may be insufficient to cover the family's essential financial needs. The returns are also relatively low compared to other investment options. The regular income here does not account for inflation, leading to reduced purchasing power over time. So these are also certain drawbacks present in this plan which you need to carefully consider before choosing to invest in this plan. So now let us take a look at the potential return, which is the IRR, internal rate of return. By analyzing its internal rate of return, we get an idea of whether investing in it for a long time will be worth it or not. That's why we are going to calculate the IRR of this policy based on the figures mentioned on the policy brochure. So let's just for example assume that a 35-year-old male opts for this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So the policy term is 64 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh rupees. So regular income begins in the 15th year, starting with a cash bonus and continues for the rest of his life. So here how we are going to calculate the IRR is based on two assumed investment return scenario. One is 4%, another is 8%. Both indicate worst and best case scenario respectively. These returns are not guaranteed and it also does not represent the potential upper or lower limits you can get from this policy. This is completely for example purpose. So if you take a look at the 4% assumed return, your annual income here is 47,610 rupees. At 8% assumed return, the annual income is 1,15,610 rupees. So if you assume the life expectancy of the policyholder to be 85 years, the internal rate of return for this plan is 3.40% in the case of 4% return scenario as per the ICICI Prove Lakshya lifelong income plan maturity calculator, which can be comparable to a savings account interest rate. So if you did not invest your money anywhere for such a long time and took any risk and just kept your money in a savings bank account, it would have given better return compared to this. And as this is not a guaranteed return, it can go even lower than this. So in the 8% return scenario, the IRR for this policy is 6.20%, which is lower than the typical fixed deposit interest rate, which is a debt instrument, which is a low risk instrument. But here we are taking high risk, but we are still not getting a better risk adjusted return. So despite the promise of lifetime income, the plan delivers low returns, diminishing its appeal. Additionally, the fixed income here does not account for inflation, eroding your purchasing power over time. So the insurance component also falls short, like life cover until age 99 is just unnecessary for most people, and the sum assured is inadequate to meet your significant financial needs. So in conclusion, both the investment and insurance aspect of this policy fails to benefit investors effectively. As we can see that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome we need to deliver us with inflation adjusted return or yet a better risk adjusted return, we are going to do a comparative analysis now. So what we are going to do is, instead of investing in an insurance investment policy like the ICICI Pru Lakshya lifelong income plan, we are going to split our insurance and investment components and invest in it separately to see whether this can be a more effective way to generate regular income while also securing adequate life cover. So let us take an example and make the calculations. So for example, a pure term life insurance policy for life coverage with a sum assured of 10 lakhs cost an annual premium of just 15,600 rupees for a 35-year policy term. After paying this premium, if you compare it with ICICI Pru Lakshya lifelong income plan's premium, you have 84,400 rupees per annum left just for investment. So for the first 15 years, what we are going to do is the investment here can be directed into either equity or debt instrument. So in this example, just to show you the variety that is available in case of investment instruments, we have chosen PPF, Public Provident Fund, to be used as a debt instrument and ELSS for equity. So after 15 years, the accumulated corpus here is shifted to an instrument offering a 7% per annum return, enabling regular withdrawal similar to the ICICI Pru Lakshya lifelong income plan. So in the PPF debt option, your accumulated corpus after 15 years would be 17.67 lakhs. So the corpus earning a 7% per annum provides annual withdrawal similar to the 8% return scenario in the ICICI Pru Lakshya plan. So at the age of 85, you will still have a remaining corpus of 14.03 lakhs after all the annual withdrawals with an IRR of 6.28%. So now if you take a look at the ELSS equity option, you can see your post-tax accumulated corpus after 15 years is 26.79 lakhs. So the corpus here earns a 7% per annum return and also provides annual withdrawal similar to the 8% return. So at the age 85, the remaining corpus is 1.11 crore. Even after making all this annual withdrawal, you still have a corpus remaining of 1.11 crore with an IRR of 7.91%. So what are the key advantages of this alternative investment approach? Number one is the higher flexibility. Your withdrawals can be adjusted based on your financial needs, unlike the fixed income provided in the ICICI Pru Lakshya plan. Also, you get enhanced returns. So if you delay withdrawal in the early years, compounding can significantly boost your corpus and IRR. Third, you get inflation adjusted strategy. Because this approach offers you the flexibility to increase your withdrawal over time, addressing the erosion of purchasing power due to inflation. So you can see that splitting insurance and investment, you gain better returns, flexibility, and a more robust financial plan that outperforms the ICICI Pru Lakshya lifelong income plan. So what is the final verdict on ICICI Pru Lakshya lifelong income plan? Is it worth investing or not? As we can see from our analysis that this plan does offer the option to help us pay premium for a limited period and then receive income for life. While this may appeal to those seeking regular cash flow, a closer evaluation reveals to us that the plan falls short in terms of returns. Moreover, although the plan provides whole life coverage, the sum assured is insufficient to meet comprehensive financial needs, and also it has a high agent commission. So in personal finance, it is recommended to have adequate life cover that accounts for your financial goals and liabilities during your working years. The plan's limitation include poor returns, an inadequate sum assured, and a rigid cash flow structure with fixed income throughout life, which does not adapt to changing needs or inflation. So what would be a better approach? A better approach would be to separate insurance and investment. So pure term policies offer higher coverage even at an affordable cost, ensuring adequate financial protection for your family in your absence. And for achieving life goals and generating regular income, channeling your savings into suitable investments can help accumulate the required corpus effectively. So you can definitely choose to pursue this alternative investment approach, which can give you better returns and better results in the long run.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.